Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on Social Science Passing Package Part 7, which is very important from examination point of view. In 1 marks, the first question is, what is national income? National income is the total value of all goods and services produced in a country during a year. Next question. What are the reasons for low sex ratio in India? Answer. Female feticide and female infanticide are the reasons for low sex ratio in India. Next question. What is sex ratio? Answer. The number of females for every 1000 males is known as sex ratio. Next question. What do you mean by development? Answer. The progress in a particular field or a segment of people. Next question. What is per capita income? Per capita income is the average income of the individual of a country during 1 year. Now moving on to 2 marks question. In 2 marks, the first question is, communalism is fatal to national unity. How? Answer. Communalism creates political competition, social groupism, and economic hatredness. It puts self interest above national interest. The communal forces attempt to be preach their religion and also tend to be suspicious of other religions. This endangers the unity and integrity of the country. It not only disturbs the peace in the society but also leads to loss of life and property, mutual accusations, physical assaults, and other undesirable effects. Now, the next question is, what measures have been taken by the government to improve the status of women? Answer. The government has set up the Ministry of Women's Education and Status. Laws have been passed relating to child marriage, dowry, and compulsory education. Many self help groups have been formed as means of social progress. Women's Commission have been established as the national as well as state level to address various issues relating to women. Reservation has been given to women in local bodies and in government recruitments. Next question. How are the Panchashila principles helpful to improve the relation between India and China? Panchashila are the five principles of peaceful coexistence were enunciated in the agreement signed in 1954 between Jawaharlal Nehru and Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai. The principles are mutual respect for each other's territorial integrity and sovereignty, mutual non aggression, mutual non interference in each other's internal affairs, mutual assistance and equality, peaceful coexistence. Next question. What are the basic principles of India's foreign policy? Panchashila principles, non alignment policy, anti imperialism, anti apartheid policy, disarmament. Now, moving on to 3 marks question. In 3 marks, the first question is, explain human development indicators. Human development indicators indicate the state or level of development in life expectancy, educational achievement, and standard of living. Availability of nutritious food, good health and hygiene facilities, clean environment, etc. are the factors represented in life expectancy. The educational achievement of a country is measured on the basis of two factors. The average period of schooling completed by individuals above 25 years, the expected period of school education that children of 5 years might receive in their lifetime. The standard of living is measured with the help of per capita income. Next question. Examine the causes why India is ranked low in the HDI. Gender disparity is prevalent in all the sectors of health, education, and economy as well. This is because of the low and secondary status attributed to women in our society. Rising inequalities in sharing of fruits of development across regions, rural, urban setting, caste and class. Poor public health spending. Poor social infrastructure which includes health and education sector. Poor quality primary and secondary education level. Decrease in the living standard in the country. Thank you for watching video.